Hey everyone, just wanted to go over a lot of Black Friday deals going on. And first, let's start with the Cinti store. So, Black Friday is going on until December 4th. And as you can see on their site, every single day there's a new asset that goes for 70% off. Currently, they are all 50% off. So, feel free to check that out. And if you are subscribed to their All Access Pass, which is their new subscription based model, this is entirely optional, you get access to unlimited characters, the entire Cinti library, and every month you get $10 back in Cinti store credit. And one of my favorites is that they just released the Cinti Sidekick. And the Cinti Sidekicks allows you to just generate characters. Currently, it is only for Unity, but you can actually just save these characters and or export these characters and so on, and just import it into your game engine. I've seen this working in Unreal and Godot after being exported, and you can just export FBXs as you go along. And yeah, just a freaking amazing wide variety of characters that you can create. You can even adjust part by part. The body type, for example, as you can see, it kind of shifts and morphs. There's body size slim to heavy, the amount of muscle that you want on your character, and so on. You can adjust the colors manually for every single part of your character, options. And yeah, it's freaking awesome. And the presets just make it a lot easier. For example, if I wanted to use something like the pretty large list, but let's see. So I'll change the upper body to like Goblin Fighters 1, lower body also Goblin Fighters 1, and then the head, I will change the hairstyle. Actually, I can just randomize this one. Sure, this works. And then for the species, you'll see there's like I can select humans of different color, or I can change this from a human to a goblin, which is freaking cool. And this one has this goblin has like a bucket on his head, and you can see the eyes are a bit different. And I actually really like this style of graphics as well. Tons of back attachments, as you can see here, and side attachments. And yeah, I think this is just an amazing looking asset pack. Love the presets, love the amount of colors that you can modify. And I'll definitely be using these in my projects. And then next up is, of course, Fabs released more content for us on the 19th. The Stylized Fantasy Creatures Bundle is currently free until December 4th, every 2 weeks on Fabs. Same with the Dragon Temple, and I'll be making its own video on these free assets pretty soon after this one uploads. And the Ancient Constructions and Platforms, all usable in Unreal Engine. And next up, we have the Super Game Asset Bundle on Humble Bundle. You still have about a week to get this pack. You can get everything, all 61 items for just 31 bucks. It's a bunch of assets by Liartis Studio, and I did make a video on this, so feel free to check that one out. And then we also have the Ultimate Unreal Engine Sci-Fi Creators Kit. This is one that I'm actually gonna get right now and make another video on this pretty soon. But yeah, I'll go over these. There are a ton of characters, sci-fi base, pretty high realistic nanite working assets in this pack. And yeah, just a bunch of characters and some environment stuff. Everything sci-fi related, even some little drones, a little assistant robot dog. And yeah, I'll make a separate video on this to showcase these products as well. And then there's also the game market, the game dev market best of 2024, which I went over in a previous video. It's mostly 2D assets and a lot of music packs if you're looking for that, and UI stuff. Maybe not the best for Unreal Engine, but if you're on Unity or Godot, this might be more of your speed. And last but not least, if you're looking to learn Unity, the game dev team has made this Humble Bundle deal on Black Friday, and you get a ton of Unity courses. I actually did get this because I want to expand into Godot and Unity as well. And honestly, their teaching style is just really good. Their complete Unity 3D developer course is really clicking with me, and I'm actually really loving the low compile times. I can't wait till Unreal Engine releases Verse, hopefully very soon. I feel like after playing around with Godot and Unity, I need some interpreted language that will just instantly compile instead of taking forever in Unreal. And don't forget, when you head over to fab.com, check out the featured sellers. So Ninja Bear Studio first on the list. Of course, not even surprised. I pretty much just use Unreal Engine for these assets now because I'm in love with the gameplay ability system. Eat a Favor, I also have a lot of their characters. Polyphoria has a lot of great assets as well. I think I have assets just about from every single one of these now, actually. And yeah, so Liartis, I have a ton of their assets, and same with for Liartis and Hivemind, I have a ton of their assets through Humble Bundles, and just and then BP Systems, they have amazing toolkits, and yeah, don't forget to give these featured sellers a try if you're looking for any new assets to help enhance your game development workflow. And last but not least, don't forget if you scroll down on Fabs and click on free content, they do have a ton of new free content and 3D models coming out just about every day. you can go to the format and select which game engine you want to use it for. So for example, if I want to check out for Unreal Engine, there are just a ton of really nice free assets like the simple stylized forest. I actually did not even know this was free. This is actually amazing. And that pretty much covers it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.